some more words which you have to memorize in Bashkir language. Cooper, bridge, Cooper, bridge. Ağaç, tree, ağaç, ağaç, tree, ağaç. Balıkçı, fisherman, balıkçı, fisherman. You see fisherman on the shore? Yeah? Balıkçılar, fisherman. Balıkçılar, fisherman. One balıkçı, but a lot of balıkçılar. You have to know this. When number of somebody or something is more than one, you have to use not singular but okay, more numbers. Birds, koş, koşlar, birds, koşlar, koş, bird, bird, koş, koş, bird. A lot of birds are flying. Küp koşlar osalar. A lot of birds are flying. Keme yüze. Keme yüze. The boat is swimming. The boat is swimming. Koşlar osalar. Koşlar osalar. The birds are flying. The sun. Koyaş, koyaş, the sun. Okay, you have to know. Please try remember these numbers. Bir, one, bir. İki, two, iki. Üç, three, üç. Dört, four, dört. Beş, five, beş. Altı, six, altı. Yedi, seven, yedi. Sekiz, eight, sekiz. Dokuz, nine, dokuz. 10, 10, 10. 11, 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15, 15. 15. 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20, 20. 21, 21, 21, 21. 22, 22. 22, 22. 23, 23. 23, 23. 24, 24. 24, 24. 25, 25. 25, 25. 26, 26. 26, 26. 27, 27. 27, 27. 28, 29. Oh, I'm sorry. 28, 28. 28, 28. 29, 29. 29. 30, 30. 30, 30. 31, 31. 31, 31. 32, 32. 32, 32. 33, 33. 33, 33. 34, 34. 34, 34. 35, 35. 35, 35. 36, 36. 36, 36. 37, 37. 37. 37. 38. 39. Oh, sorry. 38 means 38. 38. 38. 39. 39. 40. 40. 41. Kirk bir means 41. Kirk bir means 41. Okay.